Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and repair your laptop. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, a can of compressed air, and some microfiber cloths. Having the right tools is crucial for a successful repair. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using your precision screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here, you don't want to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you can now see the internal components. It's a good time to clean the internal parts. Using your can of compressed air, blow out any dust buildup in the fans and heat sinks. This will help improve airflow and cooling performance. At this point, if you encounter any issues or aren't confident in performing the repair yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always wise to get a second opinion before proceeding with repairs. Next, let's check the hard drive and RAM. If you're experiencing slow performance, it might be due to these components. Remove the hard drive and RAM modules by releasing the clips holding them in place. If you're not equipped to handle this, don't worry, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without any hassle. Now, if you find any damaged parts, it's important to replace them. Before proceeding with any repair, make sure to get a quote before repair. This ensures you have a clear understanding of costs involved. After inspecting the components, clean the internal surfaces gently with a microfiber cloth. Make sure there are no remnants of dust or fingerprints. This small step can significantly improve your laptop's performance. Once everything is clean, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember, no calls, no travel, everything can be done from the comfort of your home, ensuring a stress-free experience. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check if the system is running smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We are here to help with any laptop-related problems you may have. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.